Alright, I got the Fiskars weeder here. This thing actually makes pulling weeds fun. It does. This thing is 38 inches long from top to bottom. It weighs 1 pound and 11 ounces. You've got a metal base on here. You got a metal base and some plastic pieces on here, so you don't want to beat on it too bad. You've got the step-on lever right here. Like I mentioned before, this thing only weighs 1 pound and 11 ounces. So this thing's good for anybody really, kids, seniors. So basically you're gonna stick this thing in the ground. I'll show you. I'll give you a demo of how it works. This thing's pretty awesome. Here's how easy this thing is to use. You find the weed. You find the weed you want to get rid of. You put this thing right over top of it. Apply a little pressure down on here. You lean back and it pulls the whole weed out. Roots and all. And then for the cool effect, the shotgun effect, bang, drop it out. Find your next weed. Put it over top of it, step down a little bit, pulls it out. Look at that, roots and all. Shotgun, bam, next weed. Step over, it makes a little hole here, so you're gonna fill your hole back in, but no more weeds. So if you're looking for a good lightweight weed puller this summer to get rid of those weeds in your yard, check out the Fiskars weed puller. Bam, it's kind of fun actually. I like pulling weeds. I'm gonna go pull some more weeds.